Magandang buhay mga ka-25 dito. At kung kayo po ay bago sa aking channel, please like, subscribe, and share lamang po Okay, let's start to cook Yumyum Turkey. Special thanks to my friend Charo to teach me. Our ingredients for the turkey is garlic, butter, and then inside we put the fruits like grapes, apple,
and orange.
Orange.
I don't have orange,
Yeah,
but
we replace it in a tamarind, and yeah, that's almost version with a little bit of Filipino version, because they have put like that something, and the best taste is come from garlic, yeah, and onion, and also the magic seasoning, and we cook it 3 hours, and that's all. This is Randy Sabio. Muli po, para sa mga bago po, please like, share, and subscribe lang po. Thank you so much. Okay. Yeah, we put the ingredients inside and outside. That's the turkey meat preparing for Thanksgiving celebration. This is my first time to, yeah, we need to put the cover up, okay, to protect okay. Shout out na nga rin po pala dyan kay Tito Ed dyan sa California, at kay Ate Willie and Sir Jeff. And we put in the oven for 3 hours. Okay. Best wishes nga pala kina Albert and Julina sa ating newlywed. Yes, now it's time to check and remove, and then to make it moist the skin, yeah, see, the skin is not overcooked. You need to wet again the skin. Now we need to cook another 1 hour. They remove the foil and the cover, and they put again plus 1 hour. Okay. After 1 hour, ako po si Kuya Randy Sabio, ang tagaluto noon, tagaluto pa rin hanggang ngayon. Huwag niyong kakalimutan, please like and subscribe lang po. Maraming salamat. Bye-bye.